Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to restore the default setting of Excel. So open Excel. Now click on File, then click on More. Now click on Options. Now in here click on Customize Ribbon. Now click on this drop down and select Restore. Now select Reset All Customizations. Delete all ribbon and quick access toolbar customization for this program. So guys, if you are sure, click on Yes. Then click on OK. Now close it and reopen Excel. So guys, using this simple and easy setting, we can restore the default setting of Excel. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.